Put a military base. really would love that to see.